Send out here coming at you with the length check. But first, let's go ahead and give a shout out to the notification gang. These were the first 4 comments on my last video. To be a part of the notification gang, just subscribe. It's free, girl. Okay, so let's jump right into it. All of the ingredients and everything will be left on a ebook that is going to be available for you guys by the time this video is out. Okay, so first thing that I am going to do is begin to shave off the skin. Now, you could leave the skin on if it's organic, however it's not, so we're taking it off. Now, most people would say like, oh, you can just go ahead and put the coconut oil in the microwave. It is imperative. Oh, these hibiscus flowers, I love them so much. But really quick, you should never ever heat up oil in the microwave because it takes away all of the nutrients. Is gone. You might as well be greasing your scalp with Vaseline. Okay, so I'm put this in the magic blender initially, but it didn't do the job right, so I just went ahead and put it in my food processor and it got everything really good. Now, if you don't want to use pantyhose, a stocking cap, or anything like that, you can always use a cheesecloth, but I figured that most of you would not have a cheesecloth, and this entire recipe is under $15. Okay, this entire recipe. So this is how the ginger looks once it's all been mashed up. So now we need to extract the juice out of this ginger. Okay, so initially it looked like it was going to be a whole lot, but you'll see in a second that it was barely anything, girl. So I went ahead and did the rest of the ginger, but you will see that a little bit goes a very long way. So I honestly recommend just doing this half to begin with, okay? Because this whole entire mixture lasts about 2 weeks tops in the refrigerator before it begins to go rancid, because remember, we are using a plant. Yes, okay, we're using a live organism. Yes, but you guys remember, on the rice water video, I don't like rice water because you're fermenting arsenic, okay? But here you are using a natural herb from the earth. So make sure you check out that ebook, because in that ebook it's going to break down all of the properties for all of the ingredients that we're using. So I just did the same thing with the second batch. You could use something bigger, but honestly, this is like a vlog type of thing. I was gonna make myself some more, so I'm like, let me record it. So now we're done with this whole process, and now we're just going to drain out the hibiscus flowers from that coconut oil. Okay, so make sure you check out the ebook. No, you guys cannot substitute any of these things. Each ingredient was selected on purpose to do a certain thing, you guys, and it is explained in detail in my ebook. But this is how everything came out, you guys. At this point, it's set for about, I don't know, maybe like a good 10 minutes. So this is meant to be like a scalp treatment. So this is not meant to be left in the head. This is not something that you're going to be using for a wash and go. So here is, what my hair is looking like. Now, if you use the first recipe, your hair is growing like a weed and it is itching like crazy. So this is going to help with a whole lot of the itching and so many other things. When I tell you that ginger does so many amazing things when combined with eucalyptus and all of these other things, not eucalyptus, hibiscus, I'm sorry, and coconut oil, they all work together to create something amazing. Now, you guys, this is 2 weeks of growth, not even a full 2 weeks. I'm gonna leave the video where I colored my hair in the description box below. Most of the time I am filming, editing, and uploading in the same day, just like this video, and that video was on the 11th. So I colored my hair on the 11th, and today is the 26th. Okay, so I color my hair blonde July 11th, and today, as I am filming this video, it is July 26th. So this is the growth from this point. Now, for some people, that could be be like, oh, that's normal. And for some people, it could be like, oh my God, I can't get my hair to grow this fast. Well, just know that with this mixture, your hair will grow like weeds, okay? Now, a lot of people would use a spray bottle, or you know, the thing with a little spout, but for me and this one, I want to stimulate my cuticle a little bit, my follicle a little bit. So I'm doing a slight tapping motion with the brush as I put it on, and when I tell you, this feels so amazing. Like, I almost took a nap, so I was like, let me try to figure out something else to do as I sit with this in my head. So put it all over your entire head, and once you put it in, you can rub it in and all of that stuff. Now, do not judge me. Yes, that is the grocery store bag that you are about to see, but I didn't have no caps with me, okay? So I'm using that, and then I'm gonna turn around and use basically it's what some people will call a shower cap, but I really like this cap because it really helps me to insulate. So I left it on for an hour and set under a hooded dryer. Now I am going in with mixture number 2. So because this already has hibiscus in it, I don't want to overdo it with the hibiscus. So this one that I'm using right now is formula number 2, which was the one with sage, and don't make me lie, check the description box below. But this one turns into butter, okay, in your hands, just like the other one. So I rub it in, get it all over my hands, and then I rub it in on my scalp, okay? So yes, that is what I am doing with this, and this is what I do every time I wash my hair. Now, this mixture that you made with the ginger, remember, you do not leave it in, and this is something that you only should do maybe twice a week at the most, okay? This is a part of a wash day routine. So this is to be applied to dirty hair. Basically, you should not put this mixture on right after you wash your hair. This is something that should go on right before you wash your hair as a part of your wash day routine. When I tell you, it will calm down any itchiness. If you have dandruff, this is really great for anybody who suffers from plaque psoriasis or anything like that, and it makes your hair feel absolutely amazing. And when I tell y'all, it was so easy for me to get in there and start manipulating my curls, even though my hair be acting crazy, girl. It just be acting crazy, girl. But that's pretty much it, you guys. I really hope that this video was informative. I love this one, and this one is vegan friendly because a lot of people were asking me, you know, about different things, and a lot of people had allergies. Like, some people had allergies to lavender. So in this one, there's just hibiscus flower, coconut oil, you guys, and ginger. That is it. If you don't want to, you know, go download my ebook and you want the recipe without hibiscus, then it's simply equal parts. So however much you know, nectar, I'm doing the quotation marks, you extract from the ginger is going to be equal parts coconut oil. But remember, you do not warm it up in the microwave. You always do it on a double boiler, or you can put it in a glass container and then sit it in a bowl of hot water. But that is it, okay? So my hair is growing fast for me. Some people are gonna, I know some grandkids gonna be like, girl, this is normal, which, and I'm not saying that it's anything extraordinary, but I just want to take you guys on this growth journey with me, and I want to show you guys, I'm not just saying don't use rose water, not rose water, I love rose water. Don't use rice water, or don't use other things that aren't, you know, bought in stores to grow your hair. No, I just want you to make it make sense, sus. Make it make sense, okay? And in this section, in this arena, using herbs makes sense, yes, because using arsenic water doesn't make sense, okay? I love you guys so much. Make sure you check out my ebooks, or, you know, don't. I love you guys. You know, I hope that this helps. Like I said, if you don't want it with the hibiscus, it's just equal parts. And if you are not doing so already, make sure you are subscribed here to my channel. Once you subscribe, make sure you click that bell notification, and also make sure you are subscribed to my website so you can check out all my ebooks and follow me on this growth journey. I love you guys so much, and until my next video, girl. Bye, girl.